Good morning, West Acton. We miss you, and we've all been keeping ourselves super busy whilst we've been at home and teaching you from home, and some of you a little bit at school. And the way I've been keeping busy is by growing loads and loads of healthy veg for me and my family to eat while we've been at home to keep ourselves healthy. So I'm just going to show you all my different veggie patch because I'm super proud of it, and just see if you can actually guess what I've been growing. Let's see. So the first one, I don't know if you can see, oh, there's a beautiful ladybird as well. If you can see all the different colours. This colour here gives you a clue as to what's under the ground. Do you want to have a look? There it is. Can you guess? That's right, beetroot. Really, really good for you, really healthy. And I've got loads of green beans here. They've been attacked by a little parasite called black fly. So we're just trying to make sure that the plants can stay healthy and keep growing to give us lots of lovely food. And here we've got, can you tell what they are? They look really messy because they're almost ready. I know that they're ready when their tops start to fall over. So you'll see that some of them are ready here. It's my onions. And then these tall beauties over here, I wonder if you can work out what they might be. If you look here, there's a clue. It's beginning to show you what it's going to be. That's right, sweet corn. So inside here, inside that husk, we call it, is the sweet corn, all the kernels, and that will be ready when these tops go really, really dry and dark. So it's not quite there yet, but it won't be long now. And then let's have a look over here. It's all a bit more messy over here. I need to do some weeding. I've got my cauliflower and my broccoli and all my different cabbages. And over there, you'll see quite a familiar, let me go round and show you, plant top. Let's have a look at it. Can you see what they might be? Let's take a peek, because all the action is going on under the ground. Can you see something? It's very dry because it's been so hot. Can you see? That's right, carrots, and they'll be ready for munching shortly to keep me healthy. And that's all my different salads over here, and lots of different herbs and beautiful flowers. I wonder if you've been growing anything. It's fantastic to grow all your own veg and to keep healthy. We miss you at school, and we hope that you're well and safe at home, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.